This conference will now be recorded.
So today we will discuss about final integration. Okay, final integration connect file. Okay, this is the one of the integration I'm going to discuss. Okay, after that repository repository API. Okay, first we'll discuss about connect zip. What is the use of connect file? Okay, how we can, what type of scenarios we can use the connect file. Okay, after that we will discuss what is the use of file listener. What is the use of file listener? Hmm. Come on, what is the use of a file listener? Or what is the use of file listener?
Is used to process the files and create the cases or update the data into the data
Okay,
table.
repository. You can say like that. Okay. So what is the use of connect file means? Okay, by using connect file, we can place the file into Pega server path. Okay, Pega server path. Okay, for example, Pega application is available. Sir, Pega application. Sir, now Pega server path, application server path. From this server path, some different application people, okay, external application people want to read the file. Sir, now Pega application will place the file into, okay, this location. They will place the file into this location. From this location, they will read whatever files. Okay, we can place a zip file, we can place the CSV file. Okay, we can place the CSV file. Okay, so when you are placing these CSV files, okay, 1 minute. What these application people will do is these application people will read that file. Okay, read this file, and they will process that file into in their application. See how file listener will read the email. Okay, we'll remove this one. First, we'll discuss about this one. After that, we'll discuss. Okay, how file listener will read the file from application server path. Similar like opposite way. Opposite way. Okay, by using connect file, we can place the files into Pega server path. From Pega server path. Okay, from Pega server path, application server path. Okay, application server path, external application, or else okay, we can write like that. External application will read the file from, okay, Pega application server path. Application server path. Okay, so now these are the files. These files you are placing into this application server path. Okay, whatever file you are placing here, right, from this, okay, application server path, these application people will read the file. Okay, now scenarios. Okay, I will tell you the scenarios. What are the scenarios? Sir, whatever complaints you are creating in Pega, complaint cases, whatever cases, okay, whatever complaints you are creating a cases, okay, complaint cases on a daily basis, whatever cases you are creating, now that data some different application people want, that data. Okay, so whatever cases you are creating in Pega, that case informations they want for some different purpose, their business logic, they want to do some different process in their application. So now what are the details they want? Complaint ID means case ID they want. Case status they want. Okay, okay. Complaint date they want. Complaint status they want. complaint holder name, complaint holder name. See, like that, they will ask us, okay, now, okay, is it possible to send this file every day at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock or 6 o'clock in the form of CSV file? They are expecting in the form of CSV file. Every day, is it possible to send this file into some circuit? Is it possible to send this data? Is it possible to send this data to my application? Just we can place the file into here, so we will read that file. Or else, sir, whatever policy information, there is some policy table is available. In this policy table, we are storing the details, every day. Every day, okay, we will store the new policy, new policy, new policy details based upon the request, external based upon some new policy details. See, whatever cases we are creating, right? For example, someone want to take a new policy, that policy information we are storing into Pega. So now they want like this data, policy ID they want, policy type they want, payment status they want, renewal date they want, policy holder name they want. Now again, okay, the business people are expecting this one. Okay, now every day whatever policies you are, okay, whatever policies you are creating, whatever policies you are creating, even XML also you can create XML. So now I want this data in the form of CSV, I want this data in the form of CSV, like that many scenarios. And how we can achieve this one? How we can achieve this one? Okay, sir, now here to process file into Pega application, to process file into Pega application, okay, we need to create below rules. Sir, what are the rules now you are going to create? Sir, what are the rules you are going to create? Okay, first one rule, create properties. Create properties to map the, okay, file details, file data, to map the file data. Sir, create a properties to map the file data. Sir, create, okay, file, now create a, so now here what we are doing is create a properties to map the file data. Okay, this is the one rule. Next one, create a connect file rule. Create a connect file rule. Next one is create activity. That's it. These are the three steps. And sir, in a connect file, what we are going to do in a connect file? In a connect file, okay, sir, we will, okay, we will provide the, okay, destination path, okay, we will, okay, in a connect file we will specify the destination path and type of file, what this connect file will do, this connect file will place the file into destination path. Okay, connect file will place the file into destination path. Connect file will place the file into destination path. Sir, what is the use of okay, activity? Okay, what is the use of activity? Sir, in activity we will write a logic to insert data into, okay, file, and call the connect file rule by using connect file method. That's it. And Okay, I can write a logic to insert the data into connect file. So now here you can see we will create one sample example. Now I'm going to create a first one connect file. Whether you have any option to create a connect file. Now see whether you have any option to create a connect file. Now we don't have any option to create a connect file from Pega 8.6 onwards. They removed. Okay, na? They removed. Sir, how we can achieve this requirement from Pega 8.6 onwards? We'll discuss. Okay. Now, okay, we don't have any option to create a connect file, but use cases is these are the different use cases. And okay, sir, whatever information they want. Okay, whatever information they want. Okay, we will insert the data into the connect file, and then we will generate the file. Okay, now see here. Now I'm going to create one sample activity. Now generate sample file. Generate a sample file. Now click on create and open. Okay, click on create. Sir, whatever I told that, okay, in a activity we will write a logic to insert the data into the table. Okay, insert the data into the table. For example, okay, okay, now I'm giving the okay, welcome, param dot welcome, welcome message, welcome message. Okay, welcome to okay, Pega online training. Okay, so now this is the message. Now I want to insert it into the page. Okay, insert it into the file. Sir, what is the destination path? Now I will open. Okay, now I will open this one. Go to this one. Go here, here. So now we will create one folder. Here we will create one folder. BC, right? BC application. Sir, in this, okay, here now I want to place the file. Okay, here now I want to place the file. So this is my requirement. Okay, I want to create one text file. In the text file, we want to insert the data into the table. So now I work in the text file. We want to insert this data into this data. Welcome to online training data into text file by using connect file. Okay, by using connect file, how we can do? Okay, now see here, you can create a connector from navigation. Okay, it's not possible to create by using method. Through method, we will create a connect file rule. Okay, you can see the connect file method is available. Connect file method. Okay, now you can create. Sir, now you want to insert this data, whatever data is available, you want to insert this data into your file. Here operation, you can select the, you want to read the data from clipboard. Okay, clipboard property. Now here your entire data is available here. Now you can pause this one. After that, okay, here right now you will create a connect file rule. Okay, you can write the data from clipboard property param dot message. Okay, sample file. Okay, now I'm creating one connect file rule. Okay, by using this navigation. Here we can specify the destination path and file name. Destination path and file name. What is your destination path? In this destination path, okay, we will specify this one, and then file name sample dot extension. You can specify the extension also. Okay, with the extension we will specify. If file already exists, then file. If file already is available, you can append already, if file already is available, you can override. Okay, depends. Whatever option you want, you can select. Generally, if a file is available, you want to override. Okay, we want to override. Okay, means if we want to get the updated data. Okay, now I am selecting a updated. Okay, if there file is available, I want to override the data with new. Okay, now I created one connect file role. Okay, I place the destination path and file name. These are the details I specified. Now go here and click on save and run. Click on save and run. Now you can see here, now it will create a connect file. So it will create one file here. See here, now we can say welcome to, okay, online training. Clear what is the use of okay, what is the use of connect file? Okay, everyone. Hello. Okay, fine. Right now, what is the use of connect file? Now how we can achieve?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now how we can, okay, now see here, sir, how we can create a file by using connect file. Sir, now we can observe here what Pega is recommending. Now it is giving one warning. What is Pega is telling? Now this one is deprecated. Please use the repository file system. Okay, na? Sir, now instead of using this one, what we will use now? Instead of using a connect file, what we will use? Repositories. Okay, now how we can place the file into the repository, we'll discuss. Before going to discuss about repository, sir, now you know how to place a file into file into your application server path by using connect file. Similar way, okay, similar way, now you can see here, I'm going to, sir, here for example, sir, whatever my cases in case information is available, or else so many cases, okay, fine, sir, whatever leave request create case is created, or else you can take some, okay, this one, sir, whatever case is created here, okay, now whatever case is created here, now I want that data in the form of CSV format, in the form of CSV format. Sir, now how we will do? Okay, now I'm creating in the form of CSV. Now I want to place that file into destination path. What I'm doing is I'm going to create one report definition. Okay, one report definition. Okay, get, okay, generate home loan, or else insert home loan details. Okay, insert home loan details. Okay, created one data transform. In the data transform, will include few of the properties. Whatever properties are required, you can include those properties. Sorry, even who created the case, in case who created the case, now you want, for what time that case is created, in case if you want to include, okay, what time that case is created, what is the status of that case, you can include. Now you can include first name. Sir, now I want to, okay, last name and age. Yes. What is just like too many records we will get. Okay, what we will do is we will add one more kind. You can add conditions. Okay, those are common requirements. Okay, daily base you want to run means you can run. Okay, now you can add conditions. So every day you want to run this one. Now you can see I inserted the data. Fine. So now what is my requirement is here. Okay, every day your, okay, job scheduler will run whatever cases you are creating in your Pega application. Okay, it will generate one file. You can add px create datetime equal to condition. You can create today's cases or yesterday's, like that. Okay, add one filter condition. Every day it will run, right? So once it is executed, this entire data we will insert into the CSV file. That file we will place into the destination path. Okay, this is our use case. Now go here. What I'm doing is I'm going to disable this pagination. Okay, now I want to display all the records. Okay, now I want to insert all the records into my CSV file. Total how many records now we will get? Okay, 310 records. Okay, 310 records. So now step number one, this one is completed. Now you can create activity, insert or generate home loan. Okay, CSV file. I'm creating a one create activity. Now you know how to call report definition in activity. You will specify the class name, rule obj, okay, report, okay, definition, rule obj report definition. Sir, whatever, okay, your home loan, sir, now here home loan, whatever your report is going to give the results. Now I'm going to, okay, insert those records into some CSV file. Okay, now we can give this one also. Wherever report definition is available, you can give this one also. Okay, fine. Next one. Okay, next one, what we will do? Okay, now create a page. Create a page. Here you can see. Okay, home loan page. Use this one. Call px retrieve. Previous classes we discussed it, right? Okay, previous classes we discussed how we can call report definition in activity. You can check the checkbox. Okay, use the property set method and pass the parameters. Okay, py report name param dot py, okay, report name, okay, param dot py report class, okay, param dot py page name, what is the report? Okay, what is the report you created? You can specify that report name. Okay, report name, you can specify the class name where your report, okay, what class you created your report, and whatever report your report is going to give the results, in which page you want to set those results, you can specify that page name also. Sir, after up to here everyone is clear? Any doubts up to here? Any doubts and up to here? Okay, now your report definition is giving a results, and okay, your report definition is giving a results. Okay, so now I want to insert this data into, okay, I want to insert this data into some CSV file. Now I'm going to write a logic. See here how I'm going to insert the data into the table. Okay, how we can insert the data into CSV file. Now you can do this one. So you can loop the list of results inside the loop. Okay, now I'm copying each record. Okay, inside the loop, now I'm copying each record. Px, what are the properties? So what are the properties we referred? Now see here, now I'm going to specify. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we'll discuss about exception handling. Today's all integrations completed, and okay, right? Next three classes we will discuss about exception handling, authentication. Okay, these things we'll discuss. Param dot case ID. go through that recorded file, Bix and get network recorded file. Okay, na everyone? Okay, param dot create date time. Okay, param dot status work. Next one, param dot f name, param dot l name, param dot yes. Okay, now I'm getting all of, see, each page value I'm setting into some parameters. Okay, I'm setting into some parameters. After that, what I will do, now you can write here property set method here. So now whatever data now, right here, now we are getting the data. Now I'm going to copy into some page. So now I'm copying the entire data into some page. What I will do here is okay, specify one more page, home loan data. End of the logic, we will remove all the pages. Okay, so now what I'm doing is, now here you can see, here I will create one property, home loan. Okay, data. Okay, home loan data, like that. Again, so you people will get some confusion. Home loan page, like that I will give. So now here, this is the property I'm creating. Oh, already property is available when we created day before yesterday. Okay, fine, already one property is available. Fine. Okay, this property, what we will use, in this property I will store all the details, whatever now data now I'm getting, right? Okay, now I will copy this entire data. Okay, I will copy this entire data into some, okay, this property, clipboard property. Whatever property I created, this entire data will copy. And okay, so now how I'm going to copy is, now here you can see place for I equal to 0, I equal to I plus 1, I equal to I plus 1. See, similar like that you can think. Now see here, place, oh no, this, hey, no. Sir, now you can give the comma. Sir, now I am separating. Sir, CSV file means comma separated data. And comma separated data. Now I am separating entire data to comma plus, okay, operator name plus comma. Okay, next one is comma, comma,
పెట్టనా మళ్ళీ మేము వచ్చి పట్టాలా తెచ్చానా ఆడిపోతావా ఇక్కడ తెస్తాలే రా మరి.
okay. Sir, now I am separating all the data. Okay, now I am separating all the data with comma separated one. Sir, comma separatedly, now I am storing all the details. Okay, now I am storing all the details into some clipboard property. Whatever data, loop data, right? I'm separating. Okay, separating plus, you can give the slash and it will start from new line. Sir, now we will check. Okay, how we will okay, we are getting a data first, like a testing purpose. Now we will check. Sir, now entire data, whatever data is available, it is separating with comma or not. Okay, we will check. Go to the clipboard and see with our clipboard page. Sir, now I can see the all the data. Okay, 320 records. Now I can see the data with a comma separated one. Sir, comma separated data is available now. Comma separated data is available. Okay, why here it is showing open pending verification? Okay, fine. Okay, remaining all are fine. Okay. Sir, now I want to separate this entire data. Okay, now I want to separate this entire data. Oh, where is the status? Okay, correct. Okay, param dot work comma fine. Sir, my data is available here. After that, now I want to insert this data into, okay, in my connect file role. Okay, in my connect file role, now I want to insert. Now I am using one more property set method, the param dot csv header. Param dot csv header. Now you can check. Okay, in header, now how you want to show. Okay, in header, now okay, what are the values now we want to show? Now we can specify header IDs. One is the case ID, comma. Now next one is the case status. Even you can give the space also, comma, case status, case status. Next one is okay, create operator name, comma. Next one is status work, comma, first name, comma, last name, comma, yes. So now here I'm setting like all, okay, headers. Now I'm setting. Now here you can give the slash n. Now I want to start from new line. Sir, why I'm not including this one? Why I'm not including this one within the loop is I don't want to execute. Sir, I don't want to. Okay, I don't want to set each row this column header. For that purpose, I included this one in outside the loop. Now we can use the home loan data. Okay, home loan data. Now here you can use home loan data plus header, param dot csv header plus this one. So now we are setting like that. Sir, okay, we are setting it like that. Now see here, you can observe. Okay, 1 minute. Just you can close all, click on save. Click on save. Now, okay, now what we are doing is we are inserting that entire comma separated data and then you are setting to some clipboard property. In this clipboard property contains your data. Okay, now after that, now go here. Now we can use the connect file method. Okay, connect file method. You can use the connect file. Okay, use this connect file method. Now here, okay, whatever, now generate home loan csv file, home loan csv file, like that. Now I'm creating. Okay, sir, where you want to place the file? In this path itself, now you want to place a file. Okay, now here you can specify home loan dot csv. .csv file is available, already is available. Just you can check like override. Here you can see the test connectivity and you can check the test connectivity whether successfully we are connecting with that particular destination location or not. We can see. Okay. Now go here. Now wherever data is available, your entire data is available with this clipboard property. What is the clipboard property? This property. Previously we are setting all the data to some parameter. Okay, now see. Okay, you can update like that, and whatever pages you created, you can remove those two pages also. Whatever pages you created, you can remove those two pages. Okay, now you can run this one. Success. Now you can check whether a file is created or not. Now you can see the data. Again, this file contains the data or not. Clear, everyone? Hello? Clear, right?
Yes.
Mm. Sir, this is
Assume
the way. Yes.
that the home loan data property is that page property,
No,
whatever
no,
you have.
normal text property, Ganesh. Sorry,
Oh,
Naresh. Normal text property only. I think previous one of the requirement I created this property. What purpose I created? Somewhere we are using this property. Oh, loan case. To create a loan case at that time I created, right? This property. Same property I use. Sir,
okay.
then how it will execute? Are you going to run this activity manually? Are you going to run this activity manually? Sir, now we can add a filter condition. In this report, you can add a filter condition. In this report, you can add a filter condition. Okay. Sir, every day, okay, now what I will do is I'm going to create a job scheduler. Okay, now we will not run the activity manual, right? Now I'm going to create a job scheduler. Create a job scheduler. Okay, generate home loan CSV file. Sir, generate home loan CSV file. I'm creating one job scheduler. Okay, yeah, this job scheduler, okay, will, okay, you can, okay, every day at 9:45 I will update. Sorry, 12:45 every day. Okay, at 12:45. Now I want to place the file. Okay, 12:45. Now I want to place the file. This is my requirement. Okay, now I'm going to schedule this one. Okay, what is the time zone? You can specify the time zone also. Time zone, context, on what context you want to execute the job scheduler. You can specify that access group also. Okay, access group also, just if you want you can specify here. Okay, IST, you can see the exact time. Okay, whatever time you are updating now. Okay, now come down. Okay, where you created the activity. Okay, where you created the activity, you can specify that class name here. Okay, these are the details we will specify in a job scheduler. And in a job scheduler we will specify these details. Now click on save. What happened? Click on save. Sir, now here, now click on save. Click on save. Sir, now go and check in our, okay, go and check from the, okay, admin studio whether job is executing, whether it is updated proper date or not. Generate CSV file. Sir, now what time it will execute? Okay, just we can log off and log in. Okay, it is showing some different time, right? Just we can log off and log in. Narasimha. Sir, we'll check. Sir, now it's 12:45. In case if you want to trace also we can trace. Okay, now select this one. 12:45. 12:45 it will execute and then it will place the file into CSV file. CSV. Okay, it will place the file into in this destination path. And sir, like that, okay, so we will get the requirements. Sir, daily basis, whatever data is available in our application, now I want that data in the form of CSV format. Sir, in the form of CSV format, or else some different format they want. What we will do, okay, we will create a connect file and then we will specify the destination path. Even a connect file also, you yesterday whatever we discussed, okay, a destination path you specified in connect rule itself. Connect rule itself. You can create a DSS and DSS you can update. DSS you can update. And then you can refer with same data pages only. Data pages dot property name like that. Sir, now from Pega 8.6 onwards, Pega introduced. Sir, clearly it is showing a warning message. Clearly it is showing a warning message. Okay, what is the warning message it is showing? Now here you can see, okay, what is the warning message it is showing? Where is your connect file role? Open this connect file role. Sir, instead of using this one, you can use the repository. Okay, you can use the repository. By using repository also, we can place the file into the destination path. Where we can place the file into the destination path. How we can place the file into the destination path? Next example we will discuss. Okay, na? Clear this example? Any questions? And everyone, any questions?
Arjun, in one of the interview, they asked like if the destination folder is not available, how do you handle that?
Destination path is not available. How we will handle the exceptions? Sir?
Yes, Arjun.
Okay.
Like
Guess.
on Pega application, how do you show the user like this is the issue? Like if you are not seeing the destination path.
Okay. Guess how we will do. Just we can think and tell me. We have a time. No, I will explain. I know. Okay. Now just we can think. Moksha. Okay. I will tell you. See what I will do. Okay. What I will do. Sir, I will create a. Sir, normally how we will refer. Normally what I told. Sir, d underscore. Uh, d underscore equal to d underscore get home loan path. In general, we will give like that. Yes or no, Andy?
Yes, Arjun.
Okay.
Yesterday.
Sir, home loan path. Sir, same thing. Home loan path. Sir, now you are giving like that. Sir, now what we will do? Sir, now here you can think that. Means in this property contains some data, right? Moksha.
Yes, Arjun.
Sir, now before generating, now what I will do here? Here, now I will use the property set method, or you see, again and sir, if you are scheduling this one, at that time, is it required? How we will show the error message to the people? You cannot show, right? What we will do? Sir, now I'm going to set some data. Just we can set some data. Now what I will do is here I'm going to set sir, okay, even this one. If folder path is blank. Agree now? Means it is not giving any folder path, right? Your database.
And how they asked Arjun, like it was running fine daily.
Mm.
Suddenly one day, someone has deleted the folder path and it is failing due to that. And like, how do you handle such situation?
Okay. Sir, now at that time, what I will okay, say this one only. Now you can see equal to in case okay now if it is giving this one equal to continue. Okay, sir, continue. Otherwise, okay, jump to the later step. Now here continue. Just like I'm doing like sir. Now you can observe continue. Now I'm giving here continue. Okay, sir. Now we can check that 1245 executed. Now file I can see here. Previous file I deleted. Now we can see the file. Okay, na? My job scheduler is executed. Everyone is clear, right? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Sir, now what we will do is, okay, we will implement one more scenario. Okay, whatever she asked, right? Now what I will do, for example, I will create one, okay, database or else create one DSS, whatever you ask to do. Question quickly I will explain. Home loan path, okay, home loan path. Next one is BC loan. Okay, BC loan path. Click on create and open. Go here, go here, go here, go here. Okay, I will specify this one here. Okay, I will specify here. Okay, now I will create a data transform. I will create a data transform. Get home loan home loan path. Click on, oh, okay. Okay, create home loan path. Okay, now here, select this one. Click on create and open. Now, home loan path. So different approaches, Moksha. Okay, see, my approach is this one. I will do like that. Okay, na?
Yeah.
I will do
Okay.
like that. Sir, okay. Uh, he is expecting some different one means based upon the use case, we will think some different way. Okay, based upon the use case, we will think some different. How we want. Okay, if you tell some approach, then okay, no, I'm expecting some different one means automatically we will get some idea. Okay, you can think like that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Finally, my database will give the, okay, my database will give some path. Okay, some path will give. Okay, so now my database is giving some path. Now, what is my approach is, for example, someone is deleted. What I will do is, I will okay, remove from this project, current project. By mistakenly he deleted. Yes or no? He will scold, right? Your manager or someone will scold, right? Why you deleted? Why you touched this one?
Yeah.
They will remove, right? Okay, now what is my processes? For example, now this one I will improvise. How we will improvise? Okay, now I will add one step, brother. Okay, now here dot, what is the property? Okay, here it's from here itself we will copy. First of all, whether, okay, here we need to refer, right, equal to dot, what is the property? Okay, this is the property. Okay, now we will check whether it is, okay, it is getting a path or not. Fine, perfect. Okay, it is working fine. Okay, it is working fine. Now go here, now copy this one, copy this one. Hi, hello. Okay, Moksha, she prepared very good, okay, notes about constellation. I think 10 articles, Moksha.
Yes, Saj.
Okay, 10 or how many is very good, and I'm telling, you prepared very well. Okay, in case someone want to see whatever she prepared, just you can see her LinkedIn. She prepared, not she posted 10, I think 10 or 7.
I took help of Copilot.
No, but it's very good, right? But if people can understand easily, Moksha. While saying those things itself, I impressed. Okay, see, simplified one. An interview point of view, it's very useful. Okay, fine. Now what I will do now here equal to 0. Okay, what do you want to do? Continue. Otherwise, okay. Otherwise, continue. Otherwise, jump to the later step. Now you can give the go. Okay, go here, go here. Okay, I'm going to hardcode the value. Send. Okay, simple email. Send a simple email. Okay, now what I'm doing is, okay, pega.com. No folder path. Okay, what is the template? Folder path, confirmation even and okay, will take however you want to, okay, you want to implement okay, scenarios you can implement. Okay, our team unable to place the file, destination path due to job, or else now you can give any name. Okay, just like some example you people you want. Sir, this is this one also one way, right? Agree, at least, Moksha. Sir, you will get the notification.
Yes, Raj.
Sir, now you can think like that. Sir, now you will get the notification. For example, now what I will do is I'm going to, okay, we will check now. What I will do, I'm going to remove this one. Okay, 1 minute. Sir, if this method is executed successfully, if this method is executed, success, execute this one. Otherwise, what we will do? If this method is executed, do you want to execute next steps? I can give, right, this one. Okay, execute the activity. Okay, fine. What I will do is whatever I created the DSS, I could go to the DSS. Now I'm going to make this one is a null. Okay, null. Now go and run this one. Now see here. Now I'm going to remove this file also. So at least we are sending a notification to the support team, right? You can think that this is the support email ID, Moksha. Support
Yes.
email ID. Support. You are from supporting team. Okay. Now I'm going to run this one. Okay, now I'm going to run this one, whether it is place the file into, okay, destination file. Okay, we'll remove, and we will remove this one. Whether I got the email or not, we will check. So now whether we got the email or not, we will check. Okay, registration confirmation. Why we didn't get any email? Okay, 1 minute. Okay, if it is not executed, okay, we will check here itself. Mm-hmm. Okay, you can specify here. Continue, continue when after completion of the this method execution. After completion of this method execution, it will execute, right? Why is it generating the file and why it is, okay, even I didn't get an email also. We'll check. We'll check this one. Go here, folder path. Okay, folder path value. We are setting this one. Okay, all are fine, right? The Arjun dot Pega and a confirmation email. We will check this one. Whether what is, we will trace now. Okay, fine. Okay, why we are getting this one? Folder we removed, right? Why we are getting? What happened, bro? Okay, we will flush the database. Huh? Okay. Okay, fine. Because of flush. Okay, now we update it, right? No, okay, fine. Now I will remove. It will work. Now it will work. Okay, now it will work. Now what we will do? Okay, run the activity now. Sir, now we can give this solution, right? Okay, you can agree, right, Moksha?
Yes, yes, Arjun.
Okay, there is no file is available. We will send one notification to the people. Hey, a
Mm.
folder path is not available. Please check from your end. Okay, now see
Yes,
the file is generated. Now file is not generated. Now we will check. Okay, no folder path find. Now here. Okay,
yes, yes. Thank you, Arjun.
okay, see like that, and okay, we need to think, not thinking. See, when you are giving some solution to them, they will think that okay, is it possible to do some different way? They will tell that, sir, for example, in the same scenario, hey, once you generated the file, is it possible to send a communication email successfully generated? Okay, some support team or else business team, okay, I want to send a email, I want to send a email. Sir, like that also we can design, like that also we can design. Okay, any questions?
No, Arjun, clear. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Sir, what we will do is, okay, you have, okay, just like it will not take that much of time. Could you please rejoin? Is it possible to rejoin?
Yes, Arjun, we will
One
reach.
minute, okay, 1 minute. Okay, I will not take more than 20 minutes. Please rejoin.